Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to collect your targeted niche related emails from your targeted place. Let me show you, my dear friends. First of all, you have to go to google.com. Go to google.com. If you observe here settings below here, go to search settings. Here results per page. So make sure select here up to 100. Okay, make sure select 100. Then after click save. So once you save, install this Chrome extension called Email Grabber. So make sure install this Chrome extension, my dear friends. So then after installing this Chrome extension, go to google.com. So here is the real thing. I'm going to show you now how to collect hundreds of email addresses in just 2 minutes. So first you have to enter here your targeted niche. So which targeted niche related emails you want. Suppose if you want real estate emails, first you have to enter here real estate. Suppose if you want hotels, hospitals, anything, whatever your niche, so you have to first enter that. Then after place. So suppose if you want New York related emails, New York real estate related emails, so enter place. Here is the real thing now. So after that, enter Gmail, click enter. See first your niche, then after your targeted place, then after enter here Gmail. See once and you enter here, you can have a chance to see lot of such results targeted to our niche. See all targeted, lot of people email addresses and all, lot of profiles here. So what we need to do is just go to the email grabber and click prepare to print. Boom, all targeted email addresses in just 1 minute. See, here we collected lot of targeted email addresses. Just go and place. Now I'm going to show you how to collect hundreds of email addresses using just small method. So you just here enter only first page. You can have a chance to go second page, and you can have a chance to collect on third page. You can have a chance to collect. So then you can go to this search term and change here called Hotmail. Hotmail. Click enter. Then again see we can have a chance to more data here. So go to this tool and click prepare to print and just copy and all and paste it, and just do same like that and go to second page and third page and just do same like that. And here then after change that search term called suppose Yahoo, enter. See again lot of data, so our targeted data. Then same thing, go to prepare list and copy all and paste it here. See, in just 2 minutes, we collected hundreds of email addresses. If you go to second page and third page, you can have a chance to collect more. Just in 2 minutes, my dear friends, we collected hundreds of email addresses. See, just what? First your targeted niche, then after your targeted place, then after enter Yahoo, Google, Gmail, whatever, Hotmail, suppose whatever is there. Hope this method definitely helpful to you, my dear friends. So if you have any doubt related to this, comment in the below section. Definitely I will try to reply your comment. And if you have any requirement related to B2B leads, suppose B2B leads, I will provide you B2B leads, LinkedIn leads, decision makers list, company list. Suppose if you see B2B leads, I will provide you that name, email, mobile number, social media accounts, and place. LinkedIn, same. I will provide you the employee at email, the names and the LinkedIn addresses and the website address and every details, the company details and all. Suppose if you want some particular company decision makers list also, I will provide you that company's decision makers list. And if you can give me some companies, I will fulfill that company's list, and then after I will give you also. If you need service related to this, please feel free to contact me, my dear friends. And if you have any doubt regarding this process, and just comment in the below section. Make sure I will try to reply your comment. So, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment, share. Thank you.